दोस्तों, फियर एक ऐसा इमोशन है जिससे हम दूरी बनाकर रखना ही पसंद करते हैं। हम बिल्कुल नहीं चाहते कि वी फील स्कैर्ड। You might have seen lot of videos, you might have seen lot of people talking about how to go beyond your fears, how to overcome your fears. But अगर आप अपनी रोज की जिंदगी में थोड़ा सा गौर करें तो आपको ये पता चलेगा कि कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ फियर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर हम डरेंगे नहीं तो शायद मैं और आप बैठकर अभी ये वीडियो नहीं देख रहे होते। We would probably might have gone in the middle of the road and we would have said, I'm not scared. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Come on, let's see what happens. That's stupid, right? तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि कुछ amount of डर is very important to ensure our survival. और ये बहुत ही important है. Otherwise, who knows? Maybe we wouldn't have been alive till now. पर प्रॉब्लम तब आती है जब हम ये डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर पाते कि कौन सा फियर हमें एक्चुअली सर्व कर रहा है और कौन सा फियर हमें होल्ड बैक कर रहा है। और शायद ये हमारी आजकल की लाइफ का सबसे सबसे कंफ्यूजिंग स्ट्रगल है, जिससे हम शायद रोज एक तरफा होते हैं। कौन सा फियर अच्छा है और कौन सा फियर अच्छा नहीं है? कौन सा फियर, किस फियर को हमें ओवरकम करना है और किस फियर को हमें रखना है टू इंश्योर आवर सर्वाइवल। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करूंगी फियर के बारे में। कौन सा फियर अच्छा है, ये कैसे डिस्टिंग्विश करें, और कौन सा फियर सही नहीं है, कौन सा फियर हमें अपने हाईएस्ट पोटेंशियल को अचीव करने में इट एक्ट्स एज एन ऑब्स्टिकल। लेट्स सी व्हाट्स देयर इन स्टोर फॉर दिस वीडियो। तो वो कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो हमें होनी चाहिए ताकि हम ये डिस्टिंग्विश कर पाए कि कौन सा फियर हमारे लिए अच्छा है और कौन सा फियर हमें होल्ड बैक कर रहा है। सो गाइस, फॉर दैट वी नीड करेज। नाउ व्हाट इज करेज? करेज इज डूइंग समथिंग इवन when you were shit scared about doing it. Of course, there are a lot of things, there are a lot of definitions of courage, but being courageous is just laying out your vulnerability on the line, showing that you are vulnerable, being vulnerable and still going ahead with that thing that you really want to do. That is what being courageous means. तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी 5 steps जिसकी मदद से हम थोड़े और courageous बन सकते हैं। एंड बाय द वे, लेट मी टेल यू, बहुत आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को ये लगता होगा कि ये जो करेज नाम की चीज है ना, ये शायद सम पीपल आर जस्ट बोर्न विद इट, या कुछ लोगों के पास ये होता ही नहीं है। बट लेट मी टेल यू दैट करेज इज जस्ट अ हैबिट, एंड एज गोज विद एवरी अदर हैबिट, द मोर ऑफन यू प्रैक्टिस करेज इन योर डेली लाइफ, द मोर यू बिकम गुड एट बीइंग करेजियस। So, let's begin. Step 1. Identify any area of your life where currently you are facing a bit of a struggle or a bit of unhappiness. तो सबसे पहला काम है उस एरिया को आइडेंटिफाई करना। एक बार हमने वो एरिया आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, उसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट काम ये है कि what differently you can do to achieve a level of satisfaction or happiness in that area where you are struggling. Once we do this, now focus on the feeling. Now what I mean by that, what is focus on the feeling? When you are saying that maybe you need a top job, maybe you need a big house, maybe you need a awesome life partner, don't put your thoughts like this. Try to think about the feeling which you are going to get once you achieve big house, you become top CEO, you get a awesome life partner. What kind of feeling are you going to get once you achieve each of these things? Figure that out. The problem with most of us is that we are too focused on the things that we even forget to take into account. What do we even want after getting those things? किस तरह की फीलिंग आप एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं once you get those things? And if you can clearly figure out that maybe when I buy a big house, I will feel happy, or I will feel that I have some form of independence. Maybe this is the first thing in my life for which I just went all in. Focus on the feeling which you are going to get once you achieve the things which you really want in your life. That will give you that morale, that boost, so that you can go ahead and you can try becoming courageous. Because always, whenever there is a why associated with something, then we are going to do those things. Step 2. Identify your biggest fear. कोशिश कीजिए कि आप ये फिगर आउट कर पाएं कि अगर आप जो भी आपके गोल्स हैं, जो भी आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं, क्या ऐसा आपका डर है कि आपको लगता है कि अगर मैं ये करूंगी तो शायद ये हो जाएगा. So for example, if you say that maybe I want to go ahead and I want to pursue my passion, but उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे अभी जॉब छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Then you might feel कि I'm getting a sound salary every month. If I leave my job right now, I'm going to be vulnerable. Maybe I'm going to be broke. And what if for all right, I left this job, right? And I went ahead and I did that thing which I was supposed to do, and I'm not getting any breakthroughs in that area. So I might be broke. And third is, of course, I will feel rejected because I will see that, oh man, things are not working out for me. So I might feel rejected. I might feel that maybe I made this big wrong mistake. I shouldn't have left my job. So my point is that you own your fears. Whatever that fear is, कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगी तो ऐसा होगा, ऐसा करूंगी तो ऐसा होगा. So once you list down all those fears and you own it, they lose their power. Because you have started to own it. You know that this might happen. And if this happens, then this will be my plan. If I went broke, then probably I will start looking for another job so that I keep on getting a stable income so that I can survive. So once you own the fears in front of you, you start figuring out solutions as well. कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो मैं ऐसा करूंगी. If this happens, I will do this. And that is the way to go. That will help you to go beyond your fears. When you actually own them and you face it right in the eye, that is going to help you to become more courageous. Step 3. Be honest about the cost of inaction. अगर आप वो नहीं करते हैं जो आपको करना है to achieve your certain goal or to pursue your passion, what is the cost that you are going to bear? Write down that. Show yourself, put it in front of your eyes. For example, if today I don't go ahead and do something about what I really feel passionate about, then maybe after some time, I will feel a sense of regret. I won't feel a sense of satisfaction. Yeah, maybe I will earn a lot of money. I will be in this top position in my organization. But the thing is, you will never feel that sense of fulfillment and satisfaction because something is there inside you which keeps on telling that, dude, you have to do it. You have to go with what your heart feels. And when you don't follow your heart, of course, a sense of dissatisfaction is going to come into your life. And yeah, you will have everything in your life, but still, you won't be happy. So the important thing is that write down the cost of what you have to bear if you don't take action towards your goals and dreams. That will push you to face your fear, being extremely vulnerable, but still go ahead and do what your heart really wants to do. Step 4. Break your big vision into small steps. Often, हम एकदम overwhelmed हो जाते हैं, हम डर जाते हैं, we are like, यार ये कैसे होगा? This is such a huge thing. How am I even going to do it? And the problem with this is that we don't even make a start. The thing is that you just don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need to take the first step. And then you will figure it out. It's all about one step at a time. And I just can't tell you how powerful this is. whatever big dreams and aspirations you have in your life, it all starts from that one step at a time, my dear friends. That will help you to go where you really want. If you are clear of the direction you want to take towards fulfilling your goals, then it can happen that you are not really sure what is your destination, what are you going to get once you reach there, how it is going to look like. But the thing is that if you are sure, if you can see the way, if you can see the direction where you are going to go, and you take one step at a time, then definitely you will reach the top of the mountain. So the key is one step at a time. Fifth, create accountability. Well, try to be around with people, try to enroll people and tell them that this is what I'm planning to do, this is what my goal is, this is what my timeline is. Enroll them into your life and make yourself accountable to your friends or maybe any other person whom you feel that whenever you are like, nahi karna mujhe, mere se nahi hoga, or you start procrastinating, then these people can really help you to get on it back again, and they can push you and motivate you to do the things which you really have to do. So the most important step is being accountable. Somebody, it can be your friend, it can be your mentor, maybe it can be your family members, anybody. Just you need to tell them that, dude, this is what I have started, this is what I'm planning to do by this time, and if I don't do it, then you need to say it, you need to tell me, you need to really push me and help me to do the things which I really want to do. So make yourself accountable to them. That is what is going to help you to achieve the things and overcome this fear, this procrastination which we always do. My dear friends, courage is like a muscle. The more you act with it, the stronger it becomes. It's similar to taking action every time when you face fear. When you take action in spite of feeling shit scared, you dilute the power of your fear and you amplify what you really want to do. And that is the key. And by the way, let me tell you that this is not going to be a bed of roses. All these steps, if you do it every day, yes, it will make a significant difference over a period of time. But if you are thinking that you will get instant results, maybe 7 days, in 14 days, in 1 month, no, that's not going to happen, my dear friends. It's going to take time. And I'm sorry to say it, but you might not even see any results for initial few months. But the point is that we have to take action every single day. It's all about taking those small brave steps every single day and to do the things, to take action in spite of feeling extremely scared. That is where the key is. And believe me, when you take action in spite of when you are feeling scared, that is the most powerful thing which you can do in your life. It makes you feel so powerful. Maybe you won't see the instant big results in your life, but the thing is, if you continue to stick with these small steps, you are going to make it big over a period of time. So, my dear friends, this was all about what I want to say in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you really want to say anything or you really like or offer some suggestions or feedback, please write in the comments of how you like this video and how I can make it really better.